My name's John Davis. I've been here since 2016.
And I'm Diane Davis. So we've been here almost 10 years.
I've always wanted to do gardens, and I have before. And this place I had nice room for a garden. Things grow good out there. A lot of it, I just like the way it looks because we're far enough away from the neighbors that you have a little privacy. And I love these giant cottonwood trees.
The flow and the visibility and everything, it just is really welcoming and
Like my main thing is I like to hunt and fish, and there's good hunting up there in Ohio, and I love to run my rabbit dogs, and there's lots of rabbits up there, places to run them. And her family's up there. I got a sister up there. It gets closer to some family because we won't have no family here because our grandkids are moving. So we'll be here by ourselves, and we're decided we've been retired for 2 years and thought it was just time to move.
Yeah.
One thing we choose McCurdy's because they had a good reputation and felt we could get a fair price by using them. And there was a set date where we knew it was going to be done, and we knew we were going to be moving because we've been thinking about doing it and put it off. This way we're going to move.